Welcome to English Vibes.
Sophie, is that you again?
Ryan, I can't believe it. You've shown up again.
It seems like we share a common hobby of randomly bumping into each other everywhere in this city.
Seriously, first the train station, then the cafe, and now the park. Are you secretly following me?
I swear I'm not. But maybe you're the one stalking me?
All right, let's just say it's a coincidence for both of us. But it's nice running into you again.
What are you doing here? Reading again?
Yeah, I like coming here in the afternoons to relax and read. The scenery is peaceful and refreshing. What about you? Daily runs?
Just occasionally. I try to keep a routine of running a few times a week to clear my mind after work. This park is pretty nice, right?
It really is. I like coming here for the quiet. You're always so busy with running and sports, huh?
Yeah, I think it's a good way to relieve stress. Are you still reading that psychology book?
I finished it already. Now I'm on to something lighter, a novel. And you? Have you tried any new coffee shops?
Oh, I'm still exploring, but none of them have been as enjoyable as that time when we sat and had coffee.
Really? That was fun. I think it wasn't just about the coffee, though. It was the conversation that made it memorable.
You're right. It's these random conversations that make the day more interesting.
I agree. How have you been lately? Work going okay?
Yeah, everything's fine. Work is nothing special, but I always try to make time for myself. Like today. What about you? How are you spending your free time?
I'm trying to balance work and personal life, spending more time reading and meditating. Have you ever tried meditation?
Never tried it, but it sounds interesting. Does it help you relax?
A lot. It helps me focus on the present and forget about everyday worries. You should try it sometime, maybe after your runs, who knows?
Maybe I will. How about you teach me?
Deal, I'll show you how to get started.
So, any plans for the rest of the afternoon?
I'll probably sit here a little longer, then head home and cook dinner. What about you?
I've got a meeting with some friends later, but right now, I think I'll just hang out here for a while longer. Funny thing is, I feel like I'd rather sit and chat with you.
Seems like you just found a reason to delay your plans.
Maybe. Honestly, though, these kinds of meetups make me feel more relaxed and at ease.
Me too. Sometimes these spontaneous moments become the most memorable ones.
Oh, about the basketball game I invited you to last time. Have you thought about it? My team's playing next week, not too far from here.
I've been thinking about it. It sounds like fun, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to make time.
I get it, life's busy, but I think you'd enjoy the atmosphere. It's not just about the game, it's about the crowd's energy, the excitement of everyone cheering. It's a totally different vibe.
I can imagine sometimes I do like being part of a crowd at events like that. But I'm not really that into sports. I just worry I might not fit in.
You don't have to be a die-hard sports fan. I just thought trying something new in a new setting could be fun. But of course, no pressure.
Thank you. I really appreciate the invite. But maybe I just need more time to think about stepping out of my comfort zone. Sometimes I just want to keep things simple and comfortable.
I get that. Trying something new can feel like a lot of pressure sometimes. It's okay, just do what feels right for you.
You really know how to make people feel comfortable, Ryan. But there are times when I do want to break out of my safe space. I'm just not ready yet.
That's totally normal. Everyone has those moments. You don't need to rush it. And no matter what, I'm always here if you ever want to try something new.
You always make everything so flexible, huh? I like how you're never too tied down by routines.
I think life's complicated enough as it is. So why make it harder? Sometimes it's better to just let things flow naturally.
You're right. Sometimes I feel like I'm too stuck in schedules and habits. Every time I see you, I realize I should maybe let things go more naturally.
I'm glad I could help you think that way. But really, you don't need to change who you are. Just be yourself.
Do you ever wonder if us meeting like this, by chance, means something?
I've thought about that. 3 times meeting by coincidence. In a big city like this. It makes me think maybe we should stay in touch more often. Not just by accident.
Maybe, but sometimes the unexpected meetings bring the best surprises.
You've got a point. Maybe we should just let things happen naturally. If there's another chance, I'm sure it'll come at the right time.
Or maybe I'll be the one to reach out first this time. Don't be surprised if you get an invite from me.
I'd be looking forward to that.